What's up, guys? It's Brad. Welcome to Germanly Tuning YouTube channel. Here with Lewis.
What's going on, guys?
His awesome B5S4. It's been on the channel a couple times, and we just are about to go do some tuning on it, dial in water meth a little bit, kind of see how things go. But had to come into this spot. This is awesome, so we had to come here. And I appreciate you.
Shout out to Brad, most importantly. Shout out to CJN Photography on Instagram. Don't get ran over. CJN Photography, he's taken some of the best photos in this spot, so go check that guy out on Instagram. But most importantly, shout out to this guy, man. It's been 2 years since I've owned this car. We're on revision. We've only done a few, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's been maybe 10.
Yeah.
So this will be another 12, 13.
Yeah. It's been super solid, man. And the tune has just had the car running absolutely phenomenal the whole time. And it just puts a smile on your face. The flames, the pops and bangs, anything you want.
For sure. I mean, it literally.
I mean, you saw my other two last sports. I mean, I've had two brand new ones. Right. This is by far my favorite car.
Right.
I've ever owned. So.
Right. I mean, and you've done an amazing job with this car. Since the last time it was on the channel and got repainted, which is the paint job is really amazing. And especially like this light, you can kind of see a pop, but the car is such good shape right now.
Shout out to Ryan at Relentless Auto Works for that. This guy's a phenomenal painter, man. He did a great job on the paint. Fully OEM Imola Audi.
Instagram?
Yeah, it's at Relentless.
At Relentless. I'll put that in the description along with CJ Photography. It's kind of his spot. So
exactly.
We poached a little bit. So shout out to CJ. What's up,
yes, sir.
We had the Lusso Motorsports did a ton of work on this thing, making it run right.
Tony, Adam, Carl, all the guys at Lusso, man. Those guys have really would, right alongside with you. They're fully 50% responsible with your tune.
They're
to make
awesome.
This car run as solid as it is, man. So I brought it to them 2 years ago, and they fully went through it. And it's been solid ever since, man. So Lusso Motorsports, thank you guys.
Yeah, I'll put their Instagram and everything down there too. Cool. All right, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get to this video. It's gonna be fun.
Yes, sir.
Let's go have some fun. That's so awesome. It's loud. This car rips.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's kind of bright to see, but I mean the boost is like perfect. It's right on point. 0 timing pole, running that meth. It's awesome. So we're add a little timing in here, and then see how she does. Ooh, battery's getting a little low. about 2 degrees of timing to this one, so we'll see. And the sun is brutal right now.
Welcome to Arizona, baby.
Yeah, Arizona, and it's 80, what is it, 81 degrees right now, so. Man, you can already feel it, dude. You can already feel it. This thing pulls hard, dude. Like 3,000 RPM. Out that rolling anti-lag. Yeah, that sounds brutal. Damn, dude. That was awesome. Yeah, dude, that was a good one. Dude, this thing sounds insane. Like legit, like as soon as you passed, like, yeah. Dude, it sounded a little whistle from the rack, but I mean, that's expected. Yeah, so we finalized, added 2 more degrees of timing to it, which is pretty significant. You know, it's tough to judge exactly how much timing adds power-wise per degree, but I mean, it probably picked up 20 horse and maybe like 25 torque off just those 2 degrees. So that's awesome. We're at like 21 psi, so nothing crazy on boost. You know, safe for the K04s and keep them happy.
Long live the K04s. Man.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, yeah, you gotta keep the K04s happy. You don't want to piss them off too much, but yeah. And those flybys, I mean, yeah, you can hear it on camera, but being there and just hear it rip by, it's just crazy. Dude. It's so, yeah, it sounds so good.
I've never ever heard my car from the outside, so I have no idea.
Dang.
No one's ever driven it.
I should have ripped it for you, man.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Probably good.
It's all good. You can keep it that way. Keep it yours. It's your car. You drive it. It's all good. Puts a smile on the face and a laugh every time. It's every time. You just gotta laugh at that because it's just so awesome.
Probably pisses everybody off.
Oh, dude, you know everybody's pissed off. Yeah, they're just like, what is that? I'm getting shot at. It's just how it goes, man. Pops and bangs are great. Yes, it's maybe. Might be out there for it. That dude gave us the thumbs up. I missed it. His truck's clean. He gives the thumbs up with the, like, okay, clean sign. I guess I did. Some Lambos. Penske Racing Museum. If you haven't been to the Penske Racing Museum, go check this out because it's insane. It's so awesome. Oh, here's Pat's.
Wow, nice 4Runner.
Oh, there he is. Hey!
Hey, nice FJ.
Oh, dang. Dang. That's on film.
It's all love.
Oh, man. What's up? Oh, dude, this thing is so quick. It's awesome. The top end is like, yeah, it's great.
Man, that was a good session.
Yeah.
I saw you called like you guys need to get.
I know. What's up? What's up?
How are you?
Good, good, man. Later. Later, dude.
There you go, brother.
Oh, thank you.
For
What
your services today.
Dude, it was awesome working with you today, man.
Awesome.
Car's so sick.
Always, Brad. Later, brother.